So our friend Gary was asking me how many cars we've got around the house now, and then he said, well, if you can count them, you don't have enough. Just to give you an idea of the kind of excellent influence he is, here's another one of his toys. This is his 2001 Hummer, 6.5 turbo diesel. It is a civilian model, so it's got a stereo and AC and that kind of cool stuff. The body is mostly aluminum and fiberglass. The doors are steel. It's got a soft top on it. Really cool rig, and it's a running and driving unit too. Check it out. Security system. Yeah. So let me know if you like these videos with the unusual things I find while we're out running around. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.